Hi guys, it's going to be a busy day for me today. I'm going out now to get some decorations for the birthday celebration of my friend. We're going to have dinner here before we go to London again. So yes, we're going to London later, but for the meantime, join me to go to the shops and get some birthday decorations. See you later.
Hi guys! Welcome to BB Carbs channel!
I'm going out to buy some decorations for not very surprised because she knows that we're going to have a meal here at home and then we are off to London. Yes, we're going to London again to enjoy the weekend with my 4 friends. No, there are 3 of them and me. That's total of 4. And we have a little boy who is going to join us. Join me to go out, get some decorations, and we're going to wait for Raquel to come over because she's going to help me find some ingredients for the meal that we're going to prepare tonight. All right, guys, let's go. We are now approaching Fun and Frolics. So this is where we're going to get some decorations. Have a look on the decorations that we made earlier. I did it with my friend Raquel. So it's very simple, but actually that shows the real Arlene is because that she loves the color of red. And yeah, she loves white as well. So I think we're just describing the personality of Arlene there. So guys, I hope you like the decoration and we will carry on with all the events today. Okay, we are on our way to the fishmonger. Guys, we just arrived home, so I'm going to show you what we've got from the fishmonger because I was not able to take a video there inside the store or the shop. I'm going to show you now what we have. So I've got mussels because one of my daughter requested for that. We've got some shrimps. Well, fish, sea bream, it's cleaned already, so they actually clean it for us. So we don't need it. We don't need to clean it here at home. And alright, so we've got some crabs. Okay. So now we will start cooking. Guys, we're done cooking. So, I'm just going to show you. Papakita ko sa inyo lahat ng mga niluto namin for the dinner tonight. So, we've got alimasag or crabs. And we've got tahong or mussels. And we've got shrimp. We've got pancit. Because it's a birthday, there should always be a pancit. And an empty container for the fish and rice. Guys, look at our food. The celebrant is already outside. See? Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Arlene! Yay!
Go ahead.
Ooh! Ooh!
Do it.
Yay!
Don't say anything. Don't say anything to it.
Guys, tapos na kami dito. We're done. We have eaten dinner. We finished tidying up. And now we are ready to drive going to London. It's 9 o'clock at night and we are now driving to London. Nakarating na kami sa London. We arrived already in London and we are just walking here to look for a shop where we can buy water. Can you see that lights on the wall there? It's nice and pretty, isn't it? Look. Okay, let's go. We found Tesco. So we're just going to grab some water. Okay. Guys, we arrived now in the hotel. It's 11:15. We managed to get some water and something to eat for our breakfast tomorrow. And we're just settling in. And thank you so much for joining me today. It was really a very, very busy day, but you know, I'm very happy. My friends are very happy, and we'll have a rest tonight. And then tomorrow we will start walking around London, and yeah, that's it. It's time to park now, and yeah, so please do not forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, BB Carms, and I'll see you for my next vlog. Thank you. Bye.